Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Tech Examined. I am your host, Michael Panetta, and today we are checking out this beauty from Element case called the Rogue Black Ops case. So, stick around and check it out. Alright guys, so we have the Rogue Black Ops case here. Now this is the Hogue collection. We'll get into that in a little bit, but what I really want to talk to you guys about is exactly how this case comes apart. It's not is what you would typically expect from an Element case. They have these little clips on the corners here, which I'm showing you guys right now, actually slide out and allows you to detach the frame portion on the side of this. Now, this is a rugged case, compact design that protects all sides of your phone, front, corners, and back, obviously. The chassis is constructed of a shock-absorbing TPU and polycarbonate polymers. Now, the extreme side protection was done by a CNC machine, and the additional rear protection is provided by aerospace-grade fiber. Now, some of you may recognize this. This is part of the Hogue collection, as I mentioned earlier. Last year, Element Case partnered with Hogue USA, and they're a premier manufacturer of shooting sports, outdoor accessories, and they produce the parts on the Black Ops Elite case. Now, on this particular case, they have Hogue's cobblestone textured polycarbonate back, which gives you extra grippy protection on the back of that, so you are all set up. Now, on their other cases, they do have different styles, and you can check them out on the website, which I will put the link down below. But what I'm showing you guys here is exactly the process of putting it on. It is not exactly the easiest thing to do. As I just showed you there, you have to kind of work it in a little bit and to get the parts in. But once it's in, everything fits beautifully, very precision-like putting all that on there. And pretty much everything is covered up with the exception of your bottom, which they leave a great portion opened up so you have no problem putting in a charging port plug or listening to your speaker, so nothing is affected on that. Now, you do have to take your time making sure that the side frames are lined up as you slide the pins back in. Now, at first glance, I thought these were plastic, but they seem a little bit more solid than plastic, so I think they may even be an aluminum coated or something along those lines, but it works really well if you have it all lined up properly. It slides in there, and you know, like I said, it does take a little finagling to get it in. If you don't have it lined up properly, it will give you a little bit of a hissy fit, but once it all fits together, it looks gorgeous. And you know, like I said, you got full protection on the front, the sides, and the back as well. So that is a beautiful case from Element Case. Now, of course, let's not forget the other two items that do come with this. The first being the belt clip slash viewing stand, I guess if you want to call it. But you can actually set this up if you want to watch any videos on your phone, play any games, or just have it sit on your desk and you know you want to have it up there to do anything. Now, the other cool portion of this is you actually can run through and clip your belt in here. Now, there are a couple different ways you can set this up, and they do have an instruction book. Of course, you know the idea on how to take it apart and put it back together properly. But as part of the instructions that they have in there, you can run it a couple different ways depending on the size of the belt that you have there. Now, here's the instructions that give a little bit on the case and, of course, how you can set all that other stuff up. And you can refer to that. Probably gives a much better explanation than the way I would be able to do it. So, again, that does come with the case itself. Now, you also have the tactical carry pouch that they offer as well with the Velcro clip to hold that on there. And it's real simple to slide your phone in there any which way you want. I would always suggest face down against your body itself to protect the screen. But on the back here, they have a nice snap, and you can run it through forward on the sides, you know, depending on how you're using it. And it snaps on there, which is really nice. So a couple different options for carrying your phone around if you're a belt clip guy, or you know you want to go with something seems like a little bit more protection on a pouch than what we've seen. You know, pretty cool looking style in that. So, and when we met with the guys out there at CES, we had a little discussion about some of the things that they do, some of the things that they try for the cases themselves. And what I mean by that is they try different things. If it works, you know, obviously it's something that they're going to put in production, and you know, just general messing around. Now, we were allowed to get something really cool done from the folks over there. So take a quick peek at this. Whoa. Back. again. How cool is that? They were nice enough to make us a Tech Examine backplate and green colored sides for the case itself. So guys, over at Element Case, thank you very, very much. Really appreciate this. You can pick up the case for $99 at elementcase.com. And this is the Rogue Black Ops case, Hogue collection. So again, Element Case, thank you guys very, very much for hooking us up and allowing us to try out the products, as well as making this cool custom back casing for us. And we got a couple other different ones that we'll show you guys as well, so stick around for that. But again, $99.95 on elementcase.com. Always have to say, be careful where you purchase these. There are a lot of counterfeits out there, and you won't get the same quality at the end of the day. It may look the same, but it's not going to be the same thing. So make sure you buy from a correct company, and if you have any questions, you're more than welcome to hit up Element Case on their website. So be sure to follow us on Twitter, Tech Examined, the website, techexamined.com, and make sure you hit that subscribe button. It helps us out very, very much, as well as that thumbs up button. It lets us know that you like what you're seeing. So you guys have a great night, and I will talk to you later. See ya!